Hello everyone, I hope you are having a great day. In today's exciting episode, our beautiful warrior Gao White Bird faces her most difficult challenge yet surviving the sinister schemes of the Orc Queen. Will her warrior spirit be strong enough to confront this dangerous enemy? Before diving into the main content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to support me. Now, let's explore the thrilling moments of the battle. The episode begins with the Orc Queen holding a man hostage. Gao White Bird appears, her eyes filled with determination and concern for the hostage. The Orc Queen successfully lures Gao White Bird in, pushing the hostage aside with a sinister smile. The Orc Queen mocks Gao White Bird, declaring that she will fail today. Gao White Bird remains fearless, quickly taking a combat stance, ready to face any danger. Suddenly, from behind Gao White Bird, Orc Gecko appears with his massive frame and sharp pincers. Gao White Bird stays calm, unshaken by the appearance of this new foe. The Orc Queen orders Orc Gecko to attack Gao White Bird. A fierce battle ensues. Gao White Bird swiftly dodges Orc Gecko's attacks while launching powerful counterattacks. However, with his superior strength and agility, Orc Gecko gradually gains the upper hand. After a prolonged and intense struggle, Gao White Bird is overpowered by Orc Gecko. He clamps her arm tightly with his large pincers, restraining her. Orc Gecko relentlessly attacks Gao White Bird. She endures the pain, fighting to withstand the blows and find a way to escape. With strong willpower, Gao White Bird finds an opening. She uses all her strength to break free from Orc Gecko's grip and push him back. But Orc Gecko does not give up, continuing his fierce assault. Gao White Bird fights back with determination, forcing Orc Gecko to the ground. At this moment, the Orc Queen snaps her fingers. Two other orcs, Clown Orc with a bizarrely painted face and Starfish Orc in a blue costume, appear. Gao White Bird remains vigilant against the presence of three enemies at once. The three orcs simultaneously attack Gao White Bird. She bravely resists, despite the extremely challenging situation. The three orcs launch tentacles from their bodies, binding Gao White Bird tightly. She struggles with all her might to break free, but it is unsuccessful. The Orc Queen approaches, whispering threats into Gao White Bird's ear. Seizing the moment, Gao White Bird summons all her strength and breaks the tentacles binding her. She quickly grabs the Justice Gun and aims at the enemies who have tormented her. Light bullets are fired, taking down Starfish Orc and Clown Orc. Riding the wave of victory, Gao White Bird turns her gun toward Orc Gecko. Another light bullet is fired. However, Orc Gecko easily deflects the bullet. The Orc Queen walks over to Orc Gecko, mocking Gao White Bird, saying that her toy cannot harm him. Orc Gecko aggressively charges at Gao White Bird. She is quickly overpowered by him. Orc Gecko delivers a powerful attack, knocking off Gao White Bird's helmet. He continues to close in, landing heavy blows on Gao White Bird. Despite the continuous attacks, Gao White Bird rises again, trying to fight back. Her warrior spirit does not allow her to give up. Orc Gecko continues his relentless assault on Gao White Bird.
Don't wanna sleep in, 'cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and
She struggles to retaliate, but it seems futile. Her counterattacks have no effect on Orc Gecko. He mocks her weakness, threatening her to surrender before it is too late, as she has no chance of winning or escaping in her current state. Gao White Bird shows disdain for his threats. No matter what, she refuses to bow to the vile orcs. With an indomitable spirit, she continues to resist Orc Gecko. In a decisive moment, Gao White Bird launches a supreme feather dart at Orc Gecko. The dart explodes, defeating Orc Gecko. The Orc Queen does not show anger at Orc Gecko's defeat. She remains calm, as she still has other plans to subdue Gao White Bird. Today's video ends here. What other challenges will Gao White Bird face? Will she overcome this dangerous situation? Stay tuned for my upcoming videos to find out. Don't forget to support me with a like and a subscribe. Thank you so much.